What's up guys, back again with some serious iPhone 12 and 12 Pro latest updates regarding Apple magnets in iPhone 12 lineup, the notch, full pricing and some camera stuff. So you guys might have seen some concept trailers for this iPhone 12 series where you saw the smaller notch as compared to the last year's iPhone 11 lineup. But this is not gonna happen. Yes, Apple is sticking with that same notch because current leaked pictures of iPhone 12's display showcase some sensors in the notch. As you can see, we have two lenses at the front, I guess. So this might be an serious downgrade because every brand is trying their best to lower the notches, making the bezels thin, even trying to implement the selfie cameras under the display to make the display and the viewing experience even more better. Whereas Apple is still wandering in past. So second major news is actually a great downgrade, even more than this notch game. Apple is not just sticking with their old notch design but also sticking with 60Hz refresh rate. Now I know that most of you already know about this, but wait, I got a reason for this. Apple is still continuing with 60Hz because Apple is doing something big on their displays in iPhone 12 lineup, even bigger than the refresh rate. And in the upcoming year, Apple will surely be using 120Hz LTPO panels from Samsung in their iPhone 13, maybe whatever they name it. Display sizes for iPhone 12 series is here. Both Pro and Vanilla variants will have one of their variants with 6.1 inches display. 12 Pro Max will be with 6.7 inches and the base variant will be of 5.4 inches. But this is really a disappointing thing to see that same Hertz display again this year from Apple. Now iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, both of them will be using the LiDAR sensor, and this is what current leaks suggest. As you can see, along with the triple cameras on iPhone 12 and quad cameras on iPhone 12 Pro, we have LiDAR sensor on both. And talking about camera sensors, then Apple will be using that 12 megapixel sensors as we saw in iPhone 11 series. Now Apple tested out 64 megapixel sensor, but the results were not that satisfying, so they are sticking with 12 megapixel sensors. iPhone 12 lineup will be coming with Apple's most premium iPhone chips, the A14 and A14X. Not sure where Apple will use the X variant of chips, but Apple will be using A14 in their iPhone 12 and Pro series. Now this A14 is considered to be the most powerful chip ever seen on smartphone. Even the newly released Snapdragon 865 Plus will bend on knees in front of A14 Bionic chip. This A14 chip is more powerful than Apple's 15-inch MacBook Pro powered by Intel's processor. And a tipster on Twitter posted a comparison tweet between A13 and A14 showing that A14 will have 40% more CPU power and 50% more GPU power than A13. So that's a massive upgrade, I would say, and surely it can compete with that 15-inch MacBook Pro. Now iPhone 12 series will also be using magnets in their official cases that comes into the box to provide you the best wireless charging experience. If you have ever used the wireless charging on your smartphone, then you might know that sometimes the back case of phone interrupts the wireless charging. So Apple has just took over that issue and those magnets will not disturb wireless power transmission anymore. Now the last thing I'm gonna talk about is the pricing. Not 100% confirmed, but according to current leaks, iPhone 12 will start from $699. I'm talking about the base variant, and will end up at $1,449, which will be the higher end variant. That's the same price of iPhone 11 lineup. So I don't think so that we should consider this price as true. So this ends up here. Stay tuned for more updates and I'll see you in the next one.